Hi, my name is Elizabeth Miller. It may come up as Elizabeth Davis. That's my maiden name. Um, my first year field placement was as a functional family therapist. But I'm nearly completed my second field placement, which is through an outpatient setting at a nonprofit agency in South Jersey. And it also happens to be the same place where I was most recently employed as a crisis mobile response worker for children and adolescents. Um, I honestly have had minimal experience in working with older adults in both my job and my field placement. I actually requested to meet with um, older adults in the outpatient setting. However, just it didn't happen. I ended up having who I'm used to working with, which is the like pre-teen age and then an 18-year-old. So I really haven't had the opportunity to work with um, the older population, which is a shame because I really wanted to have that experience, hence why I even requested it. The closest I ever came to like working with the older population was my very first job after my bachelor's degree, and it was working within the welfare system regarding cash benefits and those who were aging out of receiving cash benefits. I worked with them. Um, but even so, that that wasn't even necessarily older. It wasn't all older adults. So unfortunately, I haven't had that much experience. However, on a personal level, um, my mom had me in her 40s, so all of my aunts, uncles, my mother herself, are all older. My grandparents, I only have one living grandparent. Um, all the rest have passed because they all have been older. I'm really close to a lot of the different elders within my church. So on a personal level, I do have a lot of experience um, with the aging population. Any burning questions that I may have working with older adults? Um, there's nothing really specific that I want to know. My biggest question was if I would be able to handle working with older adults, especially the older adults. If I would be able to be okay working with them, given their age and the likelihood of them experiencing sickness and passing away. But I think again, that's just something that I would have to experience on my own. But I am looking forward to learning a lot more about this population.